Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this kind of video in Canva. Let's play this. So this is what we'll be designing shortly. Let's get started. So let's go to Element and get a square shape. Let me zoom in just a little and bring this down, duplicate and duplicate again. Stretch this out so we can fit the entire. Okay, so we can leave it at that. Now let's get our drink. I made this drink in Canva. Hopefully I will make a tutorial to show you how I came about it. So but for now, let's just use it for this project. So bring this down and then this one here. And crop. So we need to change the color of these shapes so we can fit or rather match our drink. So I'll be using this color, and then for this shape, let's go with this color. And for the last shape, we can use this one or the first one. Okay, let's use this and ensure that the drinks are well aligned. So this is what we have. Then let's enter our text. Premium. Premium is the first text. Then let's change the font to. Okay, we already have the font I need here. Bryce semi-expanded. That's the font we'll be using for this premium. Duplicate it. And enter the next word, healthy. Place this somewhere here. Duplicate. Type in the last word, juice. And let's change the font for this. We can use Montserrat. Let's change the font for this to let's increase it a little. I mean the font size. Let's also increase the font size for this one. I think we should just keep all of them at Bryce semi-expanded. So let's change this back to Bryce semi. And then what we can do here is to increase the size. Okay, this is okay. Let's take this up a little. You can actually make this one a capital letter. And then let's change the color to something like this. or this one. So this is okay. There's an element we need to include in this background. So let's go to element to get it. So you can, this is the background, this is the pattern rather that I want to use. So you can search for it when you type in fruits background. There are lots of them, but this is the pattern this is the pattern I prefer to use. So I'll just change the color to something close to orange. Yeah, I think yeah, the same color we used for this first shape. That's the color. So let me stretch it out to fill up this space. Send it to the back. Then let's add a little transparency. Maybe 30. Alright. Now we can duplicate this page into 3 different pages. Now let's commence editing these pages. I need to close this. And then scroll down. Alright, so what we can do from here is let's move these elements to the side. Just use the arrow key to move them so that we'll still maintain our alignment. Then we can stretch this out. And now we need to increase the size of this. Let me zoom out. So this is okay. We can bring in our text, which I just copied and pasted. Just product name and then this placeholder text. Now we can do the same for the rest of the pages. So move it to the side. Just same process like we did with the other page. Then stretch this out. Increase the height of this. Then paste our product name. We can adjust this a little. Last page. What we can do here is to adjust these two and then let's stretch this out. Now we can increase the height of this. Then paste a text, but this time it will be on this other side. We can adjust this a little. Then adjust our text. Let me change this. This is too faint. Let me change the color to this. Yeah, much better. Let's change this one too. And this one. Good. Let's play this and see what it will look like or what it looks like before we can add transition. So you see what we have? So we'll do two things. First is to reduce the duration. We need to reduce the duration of this video. This first one shouldn't be too long. We should have like 2 minutes. And then the other three pages should be around 2.5. 2.5. So now we can add transition. So we're using match and move transition. Apply between all pages. Now let's play this and see. So you can see the difference. So can you see? So this is just how to create this video in Canva. Very easy to do. You can do this for your products. You can do this for your design. All right, I can't wait to see what you create from this. So ensure that you create yours and feel free to share and let me know what you came up with. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.